just some card, just anything, at least something.
So it's now 2. I need to get ready. Wow.
So
these
are different kind of cards.
Wow.
So I just wrote from Caleb, then the madams will put the names of the other kids. So basically that.
So
this one wasn't enough, so I also bought this one. Some colored
with crayon. Yeah. Let me see it well. So this is how it is, guys. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah. Thank you, Daddy. So this is how it is. Play Pack Mini Best Pop Balls or something. So it has this book to color. Very mini books with crayon. So Caleb. So Hobby has been doing this. I think this is the first time. No, Christmas he did the wraps himself, yeah. But this is his first time doing this thing. This 32 sticker Valentine cards or something like that. So it's nice, isn't it? So immediately, yeah. And today is 11th. Today is 11th February. 3 days.
2,000 years later.
So baby Caleb got present from school. Yeah. So this and that. So a lot, right? Wow. Baby, see what is that? Present. You want me to open that? Okay. So this one I say, love you to be that happy Valentine. I should open that. Are you happy? Do you know what it is? Say happy Valentine. Say happy Valentine. See, he has his favorite toys. His favorite toys. Bluey. Aww. Aww. This is so cute, baby. See, they've written Happy Valentine. See, say Happy Valentine. Happy Valentine to you. Wow. Say hi. Happy Valentine to you. I should open it. Okay, I'm going to open this one for him. Yeah, meanwhile, he was eating this one. Are you happy? Caleb is happy. Yeah, you. So thank you. Welcome, baby. I was rushing. I thought you would say thank you.
You said mommy, daddy.
Yeah, mommy, daddy. Yeah, mommy and daddy. You say mom.
This is the mom.
Yeah, he said mommy and daddy. Yeah, my love. So I have to pack all this, okay? Yeah, let me pack them inside your box. Wow. Are you happy? Your daddy shouldn't have been this thing for you today. Tonight. Kelly, we've not finished this one. I'm not ready to eat sweets at this time. Huh? Why are you frowning your face? You wanted to sleep. Now you let me open it and you will not finish. And I'm not ready to eat sweet. So it has chocolate. For my cup. It has chocolate. Pack them. Pack everything inside there. Which one? This one. Pack it. Pack it inside. Good boy. Pack it, okay? Pack. Good job. Thank you. Thank you, my love. So what do you say to your school? Thank you.
Teacher.
Good boy.